Mending fences, rebuilding relationships in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about relationships and reconciliation. Mending one's fences. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it in your everyday English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the significance of this expression and how it can be applied in various contexts. Mending one's fences is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from the literal action of repairing the physical fences that divide properties. However, in a metaphorical sense, it's used to describe the process of repairing or improving relationships that have been damaged by disagreements, misunderstandings, or conflicts. This phrase emphasizes the active effort one must take to restore good relations with others. The origins of this phrase are rooted in the agricultural practice of maintaining fences to keep livestock within one's property. Just as a broken fence can lead to estranged cattle, damaged relationships can lead to estranged friends or colleagues. Over time, this literal task of fence repair took on a metaphorical meaning in the English language. In everyday use, mending one's fences can be applied in both personal and professional contexts. Whether it's apologizing for a misunderstanding with a friend or making amends with a coworker after a disagreement, mending fences is about taking steps towards reconciliation and mutual respect. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After their argument, Maria took the first step in mending fences by inviting her brother out for coffee to talk things over. The politician spent the off-season mending fences with constituents to regain their support after a controversial decision. These examples show how the phrase can be seamlessly incorporated into different scenarios, highlighting its versatility and relevance in discussions about relationship repair. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of mending one's fences. Remember, relationships are vital to our personal and professional lives, and knowing how to repair them when they falter is a skill worth cultivating. Whether through a simple apology or a grand gesture, taking the initiative to mend fences can lead to stronger, more resilient connections. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English language learning journey.